Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I have another dash cam to review. This here is from Mio. This is the MiVue C570. This does have the premium Starvis sensor in it. It is full 1080p HD. It does have GPS built in. It does have an SD card with this kit. It does have a parking mode on it, so if you're parked, this thing will come on and record, as long as you don't have it where it's powered down. If you have it powered down on your lighter plug, that wouldn't work, of course. If you're powered up, then it's going to come on and record. So this should be a good budget camera. Right now, I think on Amazon, this thing is priced at $129.99, which is not a bad deal for a dash cam. They make a lot of good cameras. This is also a sister company to Magellan, which makes the TRX-7 and stuff that I reviewed. Very good off-road GPSs. And I reviewed another one, the 733. This is the 570. We're going to take this out of the box, check it out, run up the road and see how the video looks, but I'm sure it's going to be pretty darn good. This will be quick and easy setup too, because this is just a one camera front vision. It has a screen on it. Okay, so let's open this up out of the box. Here's our SD card, very small, 16 gigabyte. That will do. It's not a real good one, but 16 will do for a while, but you would want to get a bigger SD card than a 16. So at least I would say a 64 gigabyte would be better. So it does come with the lighter plug, where you can just take and actually just plug this thing in, which is what we're going to do. Plug it in, hook it up, and we'll be good to go. And as soon as we plug it in, and you turn the key on, if you're keyed, it will turn it on. So this is a mini USB instead of like a USB-C. It's kind of an older version of USB, but as far as this little dash cam, that really doesn't even matter. Here is the dash cam itself. So very small. It's got a 2-inch screen on it. Turn it over here. It says GPS right on there. Looks good. It's got a little thing over the camera lens here we'll need to take off. If we don't take that off, the picture ain't gonna be very good. Kind of hard for me to get my big old fingers a hold of that. And then we have one here on the screen, the little screen itself. And of course, then our USB is going to just plug in right here on the side. And the reason this is mounted to go up is because usually you would plug this in. This would run up and over your rearview mirror, down around your trim, and then you plug this into your lighter plug. Right here's where we'll be able to connect our mount, and it does come with a suction cup mount. These suction cup mounts are really nice because the cool part about them is, especially if you're wanting to move this from one vehicle to another, if you only have one, you can just take and unsuction it, take the lighter plug it into another vehicle, and you're good to go. Just slides on like so, looks like. Just like that, and then we're ready to put this on the vehicle and plug it in. Let's take and plug this in right now so we can check out some of the features on the screen here. Put in our SD card, and it just plugs in right here on the side. Push it in like any of them, and when it clicks, you know you're good. So on this side, looks like we have a power button, some other buttons here, different options. Probably shows those on the screen what they do. Now it shouldn't come up say no SD card because we do have one in it. You have the different settings here, and each button correlates to what the little icons are here on the screen. So if we push this, we can see file playback, so we can go back and play back the videos that are recorded. If we go, this one here will be up and down. These two here would be up and down. See the little arrow? So we go to camera, and we click select. The little check mark's going to be our select. Shows our camera view. The back button up here, so we push the top button. Sound recording, if you want sound on when you're recording so you can hear yourself throwing a fit. Parking mode, you can turn parking mode on. System settings, format. We want to format the SD card always. Anytime you put in a new SD card, you want to format it to the device. Click that. We're formatting. That was quick. We're going to go back up here. Let's click on system and see what's in here. Satellite showing if it's connected to the GPS. You can set your date and time, your sound, welcome sound, turn your volume up, all the different settings in here. Very nice little, easy to use because it's all super simple to read the screen. It's recording right now because as soon as it powers up, it's going to come on and start recording. And what we want to do is take this thing out, record with it on the truck, and see what the video is going to look like. If we click this button right here, it shows a little camera. So we click the correlating button on the side here. It's going to take a snapshot. Takes a picture, push that down there, emergency recording. So what this is going to do, emergency recording, you're going down the road, you see something that you want to save that ain't overwritten, because what this is going to do is record in a loop. And as it fills this SD card up, when it gets full, it's going to start overriding all the old files. But if you click on emergency recording like that, it's going to record an emergency video, put it in a location to where it won't be overridden, and that video will be saved. That's a very nice feature. I really like that button. All of them are to have that. So in the settings here, we can select the video clip length. We can change all the different stuff here. Let's go down, see what the frequency's on. Push the right button, 60 hertz or 50 hertz. We want it on 60. Click the X to go back out of that. G sensor sensitivity. The speed stamp, if you want that on there, that's good. Text stamp, click on that. And you can put in a text saying Woodzman, whatever you want to put on there. You don't have to put my name in there, but you can put yours in there. Go back up. Let's check out the video clip length. We're on 3 minutes right now. That'll be good. It does 1 minute, 5 minutes, or 3 minutes, depending on how long you want that clip to be, and record a 1 minute, 3 minute, or 5 minute video. Okay, go back out of here. Now let's take this thing out, run it up the road, and see what the video looks like. It's a good overcast day. There's no sun out today, but still should do pretty good.
Start recording.
Huh.
I just seen it. I looked at it a certain way.
I don't know if that means it's starting recording or it's telling you to start recording, but it is recording up there anyway.
I don't know. I have no idea, babe.
All through here, not down in there. Oh yeah, it is.
Yeah, it is.
Sure as heck is.
They got all new asphalt down in
Not
there.
new that way, but this way it is. Okay guys, that is it for the Mio MiVue C570. This is a good little camera, super easy. I like it because of the suction cup mount. It is just one camera on the front. It's not 4K or nothing like that, but it is 1080p, 30 frames per second video. It does come with a 16 gigabyte card. I do think it should be bigger, so you might want to put a 64 or something would be better. Put a bigger card in it so you can go further without having to erase your loop recording if you want. But the biggest thing is remember that the emergency recording you have there. But this is a very good little camera for 129 bucks, not bad. Thank you guys for watching. Check out the link below. Click the thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll catch you on the next one. Right on.